Why, hello there. My name is Professor Wu, and today I'll be teaching about lesson 8.4, negative exponents and zero exponents. Yes. Okay, so, please, forgive me. My outfit doesn't seem too good for this occasion. Okay, hello. So negative exponents, what do they mean? What are they? A negative exponent simply means that the base is on the wrong side of the fraction line. So, yeah. For example, I'll give you a few examples. Let's say you have a exponent with a variable a to the power of negative 5, and it's a negative, so you can't actually solve it. So naturally, for any fractions, for any whole numbers, you can turn this into a fraction by just adding a fraction line and a 1. So now this is the fraction line. Fraction line. So the variable is on the wrong side of the fraction line. So therefore we must bring this down to here. To do that, we must flip the sign, the negative sign, into a positive sign, making it a power of 5. And here, naturally, since there is nothing there, a 1 will come and take its place, making it 1 over a to the power of 5. And here, that's your answer. But how about if you have a whole number, a real number, like 5 or 6, for example. So let's say that you have 4 to the power of negative 2. To make this, again, we must add a fraction line and a 1. And we need to bring this over to the other side. So we must change the sign, making it 4 to the power of 2 in the fraction line, and again, naturally a 1 will come and take its place, making it 1 to the power of 1 over 4 to the power of 2. And here it'll become 4 times 4 because it's 2. So it multiplies itself twice. And this equals 1/16. And that's your answer. 4 to negative 2. 4 to the power of negative 2 equals 1 over 16. Okay. Oh, sorry. Now let's try for real examples. When will this ever become handy for you? So let's say that, for example, so 3 to the power of negative 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5. Okay, so again, we have to bring this down to the other, make this into a real number without the negative here. So 3 to the power of negative 3, fraction line 1. You have to bring this over, making it 3 to the power of 3, and naturally 1. So 1 equals 3 to the power times 3 times 3. And this equals 9 times 3, 27. Okay, so this becomes 1 to the power of 1 over 27. Or for this case, we'll need it to be 1 to the power of 3 cubed. 1 over 3 cubed. So let's rewrite this equation. 3 cubed multiplied by 3 to the power of 5. And this becomes, because this can't, it'll become 3 to the power of 5 over 3 over 3. Now we can divide this. Since 5 and 3 are like this, we can take the 3 from here and make this a subtraction. 3 to the power of 5 minus 3. So this will become 3 to the power of 2 over 3. Now if you actually solve this, let me get rid of the other equation here. So if you actually solve this, it'll become 9 over 3. And 9 over 3, that equals 3. So what's the answer to this equation? 3. Do you understand? Or do you need another problem? Well, let's try a different problem for once. Let's go back up. Okay, let's say that we have 5 to the power of negative 3 over 5 to the power of 2. Okay, so we have to bring this down to the other side. Pretty easy. Making this, 5 cubed multiply 5 squared. And that 1 will take its place because, you know, it's natural. So that becomes 1, and because it's multiplication, these two will add together, making it 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 to the power of 5. And if you want to solve this, 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, 5 times 5, 25, 25 times 5, 125, 125 times 5, 625, 625 times 5 will become 3,125. So this will become 1 over 3,125. So to solve this, the answer is 1 over 3,125. So that's about it on negative exponents. That's as hard as it'll probably get. And yeah. Bye. See you next time.
He's got the whole world in his hands. He got the whole wide world in his hands. He got the whole world in his hands. He got the whole world in his hands.
Hello, so coming up next on the Woo Academy is Professor talking about 0 as an exponent. Please enjoy.
Welcome to my lecture on 0 as an exponent. The definition is that any number with an exponent of 0 is 1. So let me show you an example. If 10 to the power of 0 plus 2 is the same as 1 plus 2, which is 3. I'll show you another harder one. 10 to the power of 0 plus 10 to the power of 3, let's say. It's the same as 1 plus 10 times 10 times 10, which is 1 plus 1,000, which is 1,001. But you can also combine negative exponents with 0 as an exponent in a question, like C 4 times C negative 4 is C 4 minus 4, which is C0. And the answer is 1. Because C it has an exponent of 0. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.